Hi, cozy friend. Today I will draw Mum sitting with her legs stretched out, resting in the gentle glow of the afternoon sun. While the drawing slowly comes alive, let's join a story where calm moments matter just as much as play. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel so every peaceful rest can sparkle forever in your day. Now tell me, do you like to sit and stretch your legs when you're tired too? The house was quiet, soft and neat. Bluey and Bingo played at her feet. Blocks were stacked, stories were told, while Mum stretched out from work so bold. She sighed with joy, her body eased, the breeze from the window gently teased. Her legs were straight, her arms laid still, a smile of calm, a heart to fill. "Look," said Bluey, Mum sitting down, "she's our queen with a shiny crown." Bingo giggled, her throne is here, the living room so warm and clear. Can you stretch your legs out too? Point your toes, then wiggle a few. Pretend you're resting just like Mum, while soft winds sing and the day turns calm. Dad walked in with a gentle grin, looks like Mum's relaxing within. "Let's not disturb, let's let her be, she deserves some quiet, can't you see?" Bluey whispered, "We'll tiptoe slow, make her castle a peaceful glow." Bingo nodded, "We'll guard her rest, because we know that's truly best." So they tiptoed soft, their steps like air, pretending knights with noble care. Mum opened one eye, her smile was sweet. "This is the calmest, best little treat." Bluey asked, "Mum, what do you dream when you sit and sigh with a peaceful gleam?" Mum replied, "I dream of you, of laughter, love, and skies so blue." Bingo crawled close, her voice so light, "We'll dream with you through the night." Together they leaned, a family tight, hearts glowing warm in fading light. Can you close your eyes for a while? Pretend to rest with a little smile. Breathe in deep, breathe out slow, let your gentle calmness grow. The stars appeared, the moon looked near, the house grew still, the night was clear. Mum hugged her kids, her heart complete. Rest is love, and love is sweet. So close your eyes, let dreams extend, like Mum's long stretch that never ends. With family near and hearts so bright, tomorrow will shine with gentle light.